Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to change Google Play Store country. So first of all, you will have to just open the Play Store app and you have to go to the profile of the top right and you have to click to the payments and subscriptions and you have to click payment and methods and scroll down to find more payment settings. You have to click to Google and open when it's open this browser. So you will, if you don't have add this payment, you will click to add a payment and you will have to just add your credit card or debit card, because when you will not complete this, you will not able to change your country region. So you will have to just put the card number and I will already another account. I will add my payment method, so I will choose another account, which account I able to add payments. So you will see you have to go to the top left and you have to click to settings, and hopefully you have to see the payment profile and you will see country region. So here you can change the country region. So it will be only changed when you create a new profile. So you have to create a new profile and click to continue, create a new payments profile. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.